Good morning. My name is Esther. I'm the CEO and the founder of Life Improvement Consults. We specialize in the creation and the delivery of time tested, mind centered, holistic well being and mental health courses. There's a new one, brand new one we just released, and I want to tell you more about it. So please pay close attention. Thank you. Hello, hello, hello. This is me again, the voice of one. One is Asukwe Noyolum Esther, the founder and CEO of Life Improvement Consults. Here, right off the press, is one of our courses that we're so excited for you to try out. It is called Get Up, or as I like to say myself, I like to say Get Back Up. This course has been specifically designed for every single person who feels stuck. Like you have been in the same place, everybody knows you as this, but you're truly not happy or fulfilled. You wake up depressed, you go to bed depressed, and it seems like there's nothing more to live for. Well, there are so many things to live for, and let us help you get back up. This course is running just one day alone on the 11th of May from 4 to 6 p.m. United Kingdom time. Admission fee is £12 per person. Discounts are available for couples. Please hit us up immediately if you would like to be a part of this course. It promises to be life-changing. Thank you.